sounds good. Let's make a few changes here. Start stop goes off. Traction control goes on. Well, traction control goes off, like so. And you put it in race mode. Now, I want to straight away say, this is going to be a quick fun drive. Not a quick fun drive, but a nice fun drive. So I won't really talk throughout it. But what I wanted to let you lot decide is whether or not you prefer part of the journey. Basically, I'll do it in race mode, and the other part I'll do it in individual. And what you can do in individual is you can basically change the engine sound to normal, which basically essentially turns off well, kind of turns off the sound imposer, so it doesn't sound like anything. In fact, I think actually you could probably go eco, and I think that shuts off the valves. I'm not even too sure, but we'll do the engine sound in normal, and in race you can see that the engine sound is sport. Yeah, and you can decide which one sounds best, basically. So yes, let's go on this fun drive, shall we? In my manual Mk7 Golf R, let's get to it. Right then guys, some nice roads coming up. I'll shut up and just let the car do the talking. Mk7 2017 plate, Golf R, if you're not familiar with my channel. In race mode, let me know what you think of the noise, and just enjoy the drive. That's kind of the key here. And then on the way back on this route, I'll let you know, and yeah, we'll do it in like no sound imposer basically. Let's get to this. Individual mode, which should in fact, I'm going to put it in individual mode, and I'm going to put the engine sound into eco. I don't know if that closes the valves or what, which is a bit of a shame if it did, but it should turn off the interior sound basically. So this is just pure noise. The good thing about the Golf R, you do get some like burbles from the exhaust, like when you lift off, which is quite cool. But I'm not sure if that will turn this off. But I just want you to, see what you think of this drive. This is just more pure, just general engine sound, really. I'll let a few cars get out the way, and yeah, we'll get to this. Straight away, I've noticed a little difference. Still got the burbles of the exhaust, so that's good. So I lift off at 3000 and it's still got it. So what do you think of this noise? a lot. That's good. I'll shut up so you can hear it. There's a horse. On the brow of a hill. You can really hear the... I hope you can hear the burbles. So if I lift off, just about hear it. Oh man, it's completely changed the car. Like, I cannot believe it. I really like it. In race mode you get heavier steering as well. This has actually got a bit of lighter steering, so there's a few things you can actually change. It's the Ford Puma, spoke about that on a recent video, the ST version. Now it hides its speed. The little biker's gonna ruin the last bit of this fun drive, unfortunately for you guys. But you have to be safe and sensible. But what it does mean is we might be able to get a bit of a launch from lower revs. So so quick. It was so quick. Right, that was quite interesting for me about the noise wise. Let me know what you think of the camera. I don't know how it comes up for you guys and how bad or windy or you can, however it is. But I found that really interesting and an enjoyable little short drive there. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. I really hope you've enjoyed this this fun drive in my Golf R. See what you lot think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about it, and let me know your thoughts in the comments about the noise as well. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, really does help the channel. Thanks so much for the support, and have a fantastic rest of your day. And I'll see you again next time. Cheers guys. Well, I enjoyed that a lot, and even better, 25 miles per gallon for a bit of a fun drive, so great fun.